Hey y'all, my name is Ava. I'm the UI UX designer at Flamel, and this is just going to be a walkthrough of our new post builder. So if you drop in here on the home page, go up to create new post, and here we are in the post builder. So to get started, got a couple of optional things that are just helpful for organization and helping to find posts later. So I'm going to name this one summer sale, and then topics, just do sale, promotion, new client. Great. Okay, and then going down to post to select which platforms and accounts the post is going to go out to. So let's see, I'm going to have it just go to Facebook and Instagram. So deselect those, and then I can see all the Facebook and Instagram accounts that I have connected. So I just have the one for Facebook and the one for Instagram. So I'm going to connect both of those, and there we go. So going out to each of those. Then go down to caption, and here I'm going to go ahead and AI generate a caption. Let's say caption for, a 20% off promo for new clients through August 20th. And then you can add additional context down there if you want to. We'll go ahead and set the tone to be fun. Generate. Okay, and here we go. So now we have these captions here. I'm going to go ahead and edit them. So here, this is just the parent caption, but then you can make changes specifically for the platforms. So for Facebook, I am going to get rid of the hashtags. And for Instagram, I am going to do, let's say I want to mention somebody. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and just tag at Flamel AI. And so now they are going to be tagged in the caption or mentioned in the caption here. And it's overriding just for Instagram. Go ahead and hit save. And there we go. So over here on the preview, you can see this is Instagram and this is Facebook. Oh, sorry, I didn't hit save here. So for the Facebook one, if I want to get rid of those, hit save. There we go. Facebook no longer has those. Instagram has that mention for the account. Then we'll go down here to the media. Of course, it's required because we have an Instagram post. I'm gonna go ahead and just browse in my media. Let's say I want to use this one. I'll add it to the post. There we go. Looks good for both of those there. And then metadata. So this is where you can tag accounts and have the alt text. So I'm gonna go ahead and tag it on Instagram. So I have the post set. Let's see, I want to pick the media. Where do we want to tag it? Let's say I'm just going to double click it here. And then here are the recent things I've tagged, recent accounts. So I'll do that. Let's do that one. And then if there's one where, say, I want to tag one that is manually, and I haven't done it before, I can just tag it manually, and it will add that Instagram account handle into the post. And then the alt text is automatically AI generated. If you want to make any edits there, of course you can, and then you just hit save. So there we go. We have that. No tags on the Facebook one, but we have the 3 on the Instagram one that are all placed. You can move them around if you want to tag them in different parts of the image. And there we go. So I'll go ahead and review. Everything looks good for Facebook and Instagram. And then we'll just set when we want to schedule it. Let's do it for next Wednesday at 12 p.m. Schedule. And there we go. So now we have it scheduled for next Wednesday, the 24th at 12 p.m. for both Facebook and Instagram. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to reach out to anyone on the Flamel team. Thank you very much.